It's bringing literally European style of cooking with the flavors of what we know here in Samoa. Hi, I'm Monica Galetti. I'm from the UK, but I'm here at Moana Lei Villas training our restaurant team. This restaurant for me is very much taking my experience as a chef, bringing that to the beautiful ingredients of Samoa, using as much fresh Samoan produce as possible, bring a little bit of sort of relaxed fine dining to Samoa. I've always wanted to be able to take what I have learned and achieved over the years and bring that home to my people. In the 26 years that I've worked in London, I have rarely come across another Samoan chef, but I think that we understand fresh of the best ingredients and bringing that skill that's so hard for us to get here back to Samoa is, I think, bringing what I know full circle. My vision for TASI is first to implement perfection in cooking and the skills and tasting and understanding from classic cooking, making the sauces, everything from the base, understanding cooking just from hearing, from the smell when the ingredients change to touching produce. I just want them to be able to show that, you know, we can do quality, you know, at the highest level here. I'm already proud of what they've achieved. It's been a week. I'm a hard teacher. Time is of the essence, and I need them to learn as much as possible in the time that we have together. There's so much value in our food, the traditions. You know, my favorite thing to eat is oka, the freshest oka. You know, galos and then that. They're all things that I'm using. I'm using palusami in a focaccia, for example. It's bringing literally European style of cooking with the flavors of what we know here in Samoa. I think it'll be exciting. Sharing of knowledge is important. You know, this is how we will grow and nurture our own talent here in Samoa. I teach some amazing chefs. I host an amazing cooking show, MasterChef Professionals, where I discover such talent. And I would love to one day, you know, see a Samoan maybe enter that show and win it. Dream big.